Hello, welcome to Indian Tickets. Now, let us see program to find whether a given number is Armstrong or not. So, first of all, what do you mean by Armstrong number? Okay, we have seen already some of the individual digits program. So, in some of the individual digits program, what you are going to do? You are going to split all the values and you are going to add that one. But what do you mean by Armstrong number is, suppose take one number 153. Right, split these numbers into independent numbers, individual numbers like 1, 5, 3. Now, in sum of individual digits, we just added 1 plus 5 plus 3. But now what is Armstrong number is, before adding, cube this, that is 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube, and then add. 1 cube is 1, 5 cube is 125, and 3 cube is 27. And if you add these all numbers, again if you get the given number only, that is 153, and after cubing and adding, again if you get the same number, compare these two. If these both numbers are same, then such type of number can be called as a Armstrong number. Let us take one more example which is not Armstrong, that is 123, split into independent parts, that is 1, 2, 3. Cube this, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So what is this number? This number is equal to 36. 27 plus 1, 28 plus this. What is your given number? 123. What is after getting number after calculation? 36. So 123 is not Armstrong number. But here 153 is Armstrong number. So you have to find whether a given number is Armstrong or not. Right? I will explain you the logic now. Let's see the logic. That is, I have taken one number 153. Now, step 1. First of all, what I have to do? I have to split one number from 153. Right? But from 153, you cannot take out 1 first. You have to split from right side. That is 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 1 cube. In any order, the result will be same. So, 153 mod 10, what you will get? 3. Right? This 3 has to be stored in a temporary variable by making it as a cube. By making it as a cube. Next, so from 153 you extracted 3. Next, to get 5 from 153. So 153 has not been modified. It has been used in calculation to get 3. Right? That 3 you kept aside. Next, to get 15, first of all, this 153 should be converted into 15. That is 153 by 10. So you will get 15. So quotient is 15. This mod uses gets the result as remainder. This slash uses quotient as 15. For example, 153. 10, 15 jar 150. So remainder will be 3. If we use a slash, you will get result as 15. If we use mod, you will get result as 3. Right? Now, this is step 1. This is the updated n value. Your 153 has become 15. So take this 15. Now 15 mod 10. You will get 5. Right? This 5 you have to add to the previous temporary value, that is make it as a cube and add. Next. From 153 we got 3 and 5. Next what we should get? We should get 1. So to make it 1, 15 by 10. Its value is 1. This is step 2. So your 15 has become 1. Right. Again you take this 1. 1 mod 10 is equal to 1. Whenever we are doing a remainder between two values, division, if left side value is less than the right side value, then the resultant would be left side value is 1 mod 10, 1, 2 mod 10, 2. You no need to do division. 3 mod 10, 3, 4 mod 10, 4. Like that, 9 mod 10, 9. When 10 mod 10, the remainder is 0. 11 mod 10, the remainder will be 1. Okay. When the value is greater only, you do division. When the left side value is lesser, you just write the result as the left side value. So now you got 1. You add this 1 to the previous remainder by making it cube. Now 1 by 10, you will get 0 point something. Since we store it as an integer, points will be, decimal values will be ignored, only 1 will be stored. So here 0 point something, so it will store only 0. This is step 3. So 153 has become 15, 15 has become 1, 1 has become finally 0. Whenever your input has become as 0, your repetition stops. And whatever the value that you have stored here, so that value will be printed. Before printing, you have to check whether this value, what is this value? 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 1 cube. If that value and the given value, what you have given in n, if both are matching, then you say that it is an Armstrong number. If both are not matching, then you say that it is not an Armstrong number. Right? This is how we perform the logic. Now we will see a program to implement this concept. Now let's see the program. Hash include stdio.h. Now void main. Now I am taking a integer variable n because user has to give input for which number he has to find whether it is an Armstrong number or not. Next, to store the remainders or next what you have to do to calculate all the remainders, we are taking one more variable called as sum. Initially I am placing 0. Next, I am taking one more variable called as temp. I will let you know why we are going to take an extra variable temp. You will understand it later. First, take input from the user. That is printf enter any value. So the user has to give any input number which will help to find whether the given number is an Armstrong number or not. We have to calculate it. So you have to take input from the user. That is scanf %d ampersand n. Now the given input is stored in a variable called as n. Now I am copying this same value in another temporary variable, that is temp n. Since for temporarily I have stored, I kept the name as temp. You can keep any name of your wish. So the given input copy is stored in another variable temp. Now as per the logic previously, you have to repeat this repetitions or loop until your given n value becomes 0. That's why the while condition would be while n not equal to 0. Right? Now first, what we are going to do, the given number should be mod with 10. What is your given number? N mod 10. This result should be stored in a variable called as r. So if 153 is given, you will get r value as 3. 153 mod 10, 3. Next, sum is equal to sum plus, that should be added by making it as a cube. That is, I am writing r into r into r. So if r value is 3, 3 into 3 into 3 will be added and stored in sum. Next, 153 has to be made 15. No? N is equal to n by 10. So we will see this logic here. That is, for example, n value is given as 153. Initially r is equal to nothing and some value is equal to 0. Now, n value is 153 not equal to 0? Yes. Go inside. N mod 10. 153 mod 10. What is the result? The remainder is 3. So, R value is 3. Go next step. R into R into R. What is R? 3 into 3 into 3. 27. Will be added to sum. What is sum value? 0. So, 0 plus 27 will be there. Next. N value is still 153. 153 by 10. So, the value is 15. Now, N value is 15. Again, you go to the starting of the loop. What is N value now? 15 not equal to 0? Yes. 15 is not equal to 0. Go inside. 15 mod 10. The remainder is R is 5. 15 mod 10. The remainder is 5. Already sum is there. In sum, what is there? 27 is there. 27 plus 5 into 5 into 5. So, this 120, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5, 125 will be added. Next, n by 10. What is n value? 15. 15 by 10. The value is 1. So, now n value becomes 1. Again, go to the starting of the loop. What is n value now? 1. 1 not equal to 0? Yes, not equal to 0. Already, it is there 1 mod 10. That is 1 mod 10 is 1. Now R value is 1. That is 1 into 1 into 1. So plus 1 will be added. Already sum is there. Now n is equal to 1 by 10. That is 1 by 10. It comes as 0.1. Since I declared n as integer, point values will be ignored and only actual value will be stored. Now n value is 0. So n value becomes 0. So go up. What is n value now? 0. 0 not equal to 0? No, it is equal to 0. You come out of the while. Right? Now here fine. Till here we find. The final calculated value again it is there in this sum. Right? Plus 1 is there now. So the final calculated value is in sum. Now how do you say a given number as an Armstrong? If the given number n and if your calculated value sum, if both are matched, if both are same, you can say that given number is Armstrong or not Armstrong. But your given number has become 0 after this loop repetition. Then to which number I have to compare? Your given number has been modified as 0. Your given number is not available now if you want to compare also. For that purpose only, before performing operations on n, I kept this n value copy in temp. Now where is your given value? Your given value is in temp. So now your given value is temp and your calculated value is sum. Now compare these two using if condition. That is, if your calculated sum is equal to temp. So temp is your given number, sum is your calculated value. If both are same, then what do you say? Printf percentile D is Armstrong. Who is this percentile D? That is sum. Or you can write it like this. That is temp. Write temp. Close this. Suppose if this condition is false, that is else. Printf. If this condition is false means what is the meaning? Your given number is not Armstrong. So percentile D is not Armstrong. Who is this percentile D? Given number which is stored in temp. Close else and close main. Right? This is how you are going to perform Armstrong number logic. That is how to find whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. Hope you understood the logic and the concept of Armstrong number. Thank you. Thank you for watching Indian Techies C programming language. Please like, comment, subscribe and share C programming language videos at Indian Techies. Thank you very much.